Hello friends, fighting kesang tini katal kaisa job ni notification nai notification akorka North Eastern Railway Gorakhpur ni bisingtei 3 July 2023 tarikh notification kaisa akorka o post ni bagai online application starongka 3 July 2023 tarikh ni simi tai last date tongnai 2 August 2023 tarikh jora fighting kesang unit wise bosokta seat tongnai lainai mechanical workshop Gorakhpur ni bagai 411 ta seat tongnai signal workshop Gorakhpur Canet ni bagai 63 ta seat tongnai bridge workshop Gorakhpur Canet ni bagai 35 ta seat tongnai te mechanical workshop Izzatnagar ni bagai 151 jon seat tongnai diesel seat Izzatnagar ni bagai 60 ta seat tongnai carrier and wagon Izzatnagar ni bagai 64 ta seat tongnai carriers and wagon Lucknow ni bagai oro 155 ta seat tongnai diesel seat Gunda oro seat tongnai 90 jon carriers and wagon Varanasi ni bagai 75 ta seat tongnai te total hingke 1104 jon seat tongnai fighting kesang unit wise trade ni mong te vacancies nailainai te mechanical workshop Gorakhpur ni bagai trade lajaknai fitter welder electrician carpenter painter machinist te category wise vacancies jak tongo te nor kaham ke nailadi te signal workshop Gorakhpur Canet ni bagai fitter machinist welder carpenter turner or category wise vacancies jak tongo te bridge workshop Gorakhpur Canet ni bagai fitter machinist welder lajaknai mechanical workshop Izzatnagar ni bagai fitter welder carpenter electrician painter lajaknai te diesel seat Izzatnagar ni bagai electrician mechanic diesel o tinta trade na lajaknai te carriers and wagon Izzatnagar ni bagai fitter lajaknai carriers and wagon Lucknow jen ni bagai fitter welder carpenter trimmer machinist painter te diesel seat Gunda ni bagai welder electrician machinist diesel fitter trade ni bagai na lajaknai total vacancies tongnai 1104 jon o post ni bagai age limit minimum 15 years te maximum ke 24 years tona nangnai te SC ST ni bagai 5 years realization rejaknai essential qualification hingke 50% mark lagai class 10 pass khaijanangnai logio ITI tona nangnai physical standard tona nangnai application fee hingke 100 taka na runa nangnai te mode of application hingke 100 taka fee rei norok online application ma khainai online star ongkha 3 July 2023 ni simi tai last date tongnai 2 August 2023 jora tai norok online application khaimanai mode of selection ke norok ni class 10 ni mark plus ITI ni mark lagai na merit list tikhlaijaknai for your selected candidate rokno training khlai rajaknai ni sajaka hinke friends norok nogui mankhana North Eastern Railway Gorakhpur ni bisingtei katal job ni notification omo hai katal job ni notification naina bagai hastini jobs YouTube channel na subscribe khlai sapo kai tei norok katal job ni notification nogui mannai।